Need to raise money but not sure how to turn your cause into an experience people want to support? Organizing a fundraiser is tough. Balancing budgets, creating impact, and actually inspiring people to give, it's a lot. Make it easier. Make it memorable. For a deeper dive on impactful fundraising ideas and planning strategies, check out our guide, How to Organize a Fundraiser Event, a unique and impactful approach. The link is in the description below. Let's break it down. What is a fundraiser event, and how do you organize one that actually moves the needle? What is a fundraiser event? A fundraiser event is a planned gathering that aims to raise money for a cause, whether it's a nonprofit, a community initiative, or a social project. But the best fundraisers do more than collect donations. They build emotional connection, excitement, and trust. How to organize a fundraiser event. Step by step. Step 1. Set clear goals. Know what you're fundraising for, how much you need to raise, and how that money will be used. Set realistic, measurable goals to guide your planning. Step 2. Know your audience. Identify the type of donors or attendees you're targeting. What motivates them? Use that to shape the event experience from theme to tone. 3. Choose the right format. Gala dinner, online auction, fun run, benefit concert. Your format should match both your mission and your audience. Step 4. Plan the program. Map out every part of the event. Speakers, performances, donation appeals, check-ins, and follow-ups. A seamless experience builds credibility. Step 5. Promote with purpose. Your event won't raise a dime if no one knows about it. Use social media, email, press releases, and partners to spread the word. Step 6. Make it easy to give. Set up donation stations, QR codes, online giving portals, and make sure it's all friction-free. The easier it is, the more likely people are to contribute. Step 7. Follow up and show impact. Send thank you messages, share results, show donors the real impact of their support. This builds long-term trust and future giving. The best registration systems don't just collect names, they create a first impression. Fix these critical challenges and you'll boost signups, reduce friction, and start your event off right. Want expert solutions for each challenge? For detailed solutions and time-saving strategies, dive into our full guide, Overcoming Event Registration Challenges. You'll find everything you